I got this little electric fan, and I got it for it works and stuff. And right here you open it right there, and made in China. Double A battery. And there's a stand. So I need to remove this, but I got it for $1. I got it for $1. Works. So I just put into the put right here, and it cool off in my face here. It's too hot outside, guys. Like 89 degree now. Was supposed to be 100 something, but maybe this blanket is hot. Anyway. Kinda cute. It really because a little bit cold inside here, but you just cool off your face. I wanna bring this go to the beach, you know. Just clip it over there or something. I can bring like a carabiner or something. And I got the umbrella, beach umbrella already, and some other stuff that I need to wash. That'll be nice for going to the beach. Can sit down there, but anyway. See you later. I need to clean up my nails again. Okay.